So I have written question like what this question is saying to determine the focal length of a concave mirror of a student obtain the image of a wall. It's not a well, it is wall. Okay, clear. To determine the focal length of the given concave mirror, he needs to measure the distance between the. Tell me, what is the answer? According to you, just stop this video and give me the answer. So what is the answer? Just you tell me. I'm drawing the concave mirror. If I draw the concave mirror, it will be just like that. Clear? If I draw the principal axis just like this, if I fix the object also, like for example, object is this, now its image will be where? Where it will form. It is real inverted. Let us suppose some screen you have placed like this. Now in this screen, image is inverted. Clear? Inverted image is formed. Now, if I need to find the focal length, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. When I fix the object, I will get u. Now I need v. Now where I will get a focus image means sharp image. I will fix my mirror there. Clear? I will move this concave mirror in such a way I will get a sharp image in this screen. Sharp image. Sharp image. Once I get a sharp image, I will fix my mirror there. I will fix my mirror that place. And this is here I need measuring scale. On principal axis, I will get one measuring scale. Clear? To measure the object distance, image distance. Okay. Bench scale also you are saying that on that one measuring scale is there. Okay. So once I get a sharp image, I will measure this distance. That is V. This is U. Okay. And this is our pole. Finally, you will get a focal length. After putting all these values, you will get the focal length of the concave mirror. F is what? Focal length of a concave mirror. Understood? Any doubt still? You can ask me in the comment section. Okay. So inverted like this. This is like for inverted image. Okay. Image. B dash E dash. I think this is clear. So option. So he need to measure the distance between the mirror and the screen. Option D. So correct answer is option D. Mirror and screen. This is screen and mirror. Clear? Mirror and screen. He need to measure this distance. Then only he will get a focal length. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.